Hey guys, Mark at American Suspension. I'm going to show you how easy it is to install our SuperTanker setup. So it's patent pending. It's got the compressor, pressure switch. It comes pre-wired with a wiring harness. It only takes 2 bolts that are already in your bike to attach it. It's a 5-minute install. You're going to need 2 stars wrenches like this. I find these are the easiest, or a small little quarter socket with the stars on it. That's for the factory bolts. You remove the nut on one end of the factory bolts that hold the bag rail to the fender mount strut. Then you put some blue Loctite on the threads of the bolts, run them back in, snug it up. Before you tighten it all the way, you want to kind of pull the top out so this airline is the head of this isn't under there. We made it as tall as we could to get the most maximum capacity in the tank. This is a 2014 install. If you do a 2009, the mount's going to look like this, and it's going to say you come with a spacer. The spacer is used on 08 and older. Spacer would go there. 09 and newer, there's only 1 bolt, and then these clips go over the bag rail. So that would be for 09, and then 08 you put this on. But everything else is the same. You've got the wiring harness. You want to route it, pull it out so it comes behind and back in. And then you want to zip tie it to your little tab mounts here, all right, along the bike. And then I've run it up under here. It's going to pull out. And then you're going to get... then you can plug this into your bike battery tender if you want, or it's going to come with you could terminate this to your battery and plug it in. Either way. So that's how, and then it just plugs in. Then you're done with the compressor. You want to plug, before you plug that to power, you want to have your airline. You want to route it the same way, route it up front, and then you want to have it plugged into the control, our stack control unit, before you power it up. Otherwise it'll just sit there and run. So that's it. It's super easy, 5-10 minute install. It's a really cool it's a really cool product, and it's got a limited lifetime warranty with it also. All right, thanks guys. AmericanSuspension.com.